Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute and it is seriously so easy. I hope you like it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos and I also do vlogs sometimes. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start by spraying water detangler and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then I'm going to part her hair on that side and I'm going to brush each side. Then I'm going to part her hair again and I'm going to put that piece of hair into a hair clip just to keep it apart. And the rest of the hair I'm going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip and I'm going to apply a little bit of this Golden Shine Moisture Mist. Then with my comb I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Again, I'm going to grab another piece of hair and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Then I'm going to put those two into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to take the last piece of hair and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. I'm going to take a bunch of rubber bands and I'm just going to put them around that little piece of hair. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip and I'm going to grab the next piece of hair, and for that one I'm just going to twist the hair. So I'm going to divide the hair into two and I'm just going to start twisting, and once I'm done I'm going to put at the end a little hair clip. And for the last piece of hair, I'm going to grab it and then I'm just going to do a simple braid. Now I'm going to move to the other side and I'm going to grab all the hair and I'm going to do a sided low ponytail. I'm going to apply a little bit of this Golden Shine Moisture Mist, then I'm going to brush the hair, then I'm going to add the three little pieces of hair and I'm going to tie everything together with a hair tie. This super cute bow is from Little Puppy & Co. And this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time for another hair video. Bye guys!